Today I'm going to show you how to construct a gorgeous cookie cake perfect for Mother's Day. So let's zoom in and watch the process. You're going to start with your two basic shapes of cookies, and you can use any size and shape of cookies for this. And then we're taking some medium consistency buttercream, and we've simply just snipped the end off of a tipless bag, and we're piping little globs of icing onto the first cookie. Once that's done, we're going to do exactly the same for our second one. When you put that second one on, you don't need to push it down at all because it will actually settle really nicely on your buttercream. Just work your way around again. Perfect, and then we're ready to decorate. So you can decorate with anything that you like. I've got some mini cookies here, I've got some royal icing rosettes and swirls that I've made, and also some little stars as well, and mini marshmallows. They look really great on this and a really nice texture difference as well. And that's how easy it is. You just want to pick up your items and lay them out on a tray beforehand. Make sure you've got plenty of things to fill it, and then add some sprinkles on the end for that extra pop of colour. Hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.